Hello entrepreneurs, welcome to NOBOSStv discussion 4. Let's get started. In the previous discussion, you decided on your business idea and you found your niche. In this discussion, we're going to focus just solely on your plan to succeed. Many believe that entrepreneurs are successful because, they have a lot of money to get started, or they have that perfect business idea that would have never failed anyway. While both could improve your chances, neither are the common denominators to success. Now, as we've learned in previous discussions, success is a combination of things working together, all pushed into action by drive and fueled by the passion of the entrepreneur. Now, you're lucky because you know what it takes to succeed before you even get started. But in the past, new entrepreneurs weren't so lucky, and in many cases, they seemingly had all the makings of success, yet they failed. And that's what I want to bring to your attention, that broader view as to why your business could possibly fail. According to researchers, the number one reason for business failure is poor management. Well, heck, that could mean anything. I mean, literally. There's so many mechanisms working together to keep your business running. It could be any of those mechanisms that causes your business to fail. This is exactly what I want you to be aware of. If the saying is true, persistence will get you there, but consistency will keep you there, then everything that happens in between is the monitoring for consistency and the avoidance of failure. So, to achieve success, you must avoid the most obvious of failures. In business, failure is not like pulling the plug. I mean, clearly an entrepreneur does not wake up and discover that their business has failed. Remember discussing the life cycle of a business? Business failure is the last stage of the life of a business. It's a process, a series of events showing signs and indications along the way. Events that ultimately lead to your inability to generate sales, or your inability to provide your products or services, or your inability to maintain your business's operation. So let's look at these signs of a declining business. Now, the first should look familiar to you because it's directly from the list of characteristics: independence, discipline, commitment. The lack of discipline is because you don't have a boss telling you what to do. Remember, entrepreneurship is an opportunity. It's a privilege. And as an entrepreneur, you don't have the luxury of calling in sick because you're the owner. Inadequate financing. The business needs to have adequate funds to operate until the sales you generate are consistent. And this is clearly the difference between how much you have and how much you need. Starting your business is one thing, operating your business is another. Understand that your startup funding should include two amounts: the amount you need to start up and the amount to operate for at least 3 to 6 months. Unrealistic expectations. Now, this is generally due to a gross miscalculation of the new entrepreneur. Be it sales, growth, profits, unrealistic expectations leads back to the lack of understanding. For sales, it could be a lack of understanding your market share or cost or pricing, projections, or how to manage growth. Planning and time management. Reaching customers and generating sales should be top priority because it is the lifeline of your business. However, you also need to produce your products, provide your services, manage finances, and a host of other menial tasks just to keep organized. So in summary, when you see these signs, you now know better. You have a better understanding of what's happening and what you need to do next. Success is generally quantified by how much money you make. To the entrepreneur, success really depends on what we've set out to accomplish. Now, this could be money, but it could also be a number of other pursuits. For NOBOSS, success is helping the entrepreneur start their business and realize their dreams. But this is just part of the overall plan to succeed. being prepared, disciplined, committed, having adequate financing and realistic expectations, planning, managing your time, all so that you can pursue with purpose. So I want you to think about your purpose and what you want to accomplish, because only then can you define success on your terms. This concludes discussion 4, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video.